Hello audience. So today we will discuss lecture number 9 about Don vocabulary. So the first one is hermetic. So its synonym is completely airtight, and hermetic chambers are used in pharmaceutical or other companies. Next one, puerile. So its synonym is juvenile or characteristics of a child. Juvenile are those which having age lesser than 18. Condone. Condone mean accept behavior that is considered morally wrong or offensive. Next one. Snolghoster. Snolghoster stands for unprincipled politicians, just like in Pakistan. So majority of the politicians are Snolghosters. Next one, Farrago. So its synonym is jumble, chaos, a confused mixture. Next one, wield. So wield is something which handle effectively, exert, maintain. Next one, vagrant. So vagrant stands for continually changing, especially as from one abode or occupation to another. Abode stands for living place or residence. Next one, prevaricate. So beat around the bush, not hitting the main point or target. So beat around the bush. Next one, precarious. So it stands for fraught with danger. So it's all for today. Thanks for watching Downtimes. If you people have any questions, so you can contact us with through WhatsApp or in comment section. Thank you and God bless you all.